Hi everyone. In this video, we'll talk about how to become an artist in 2024. If you dream of taking the world stage, you're on the right path. Let's get started. Modern technology is a great tool for artists. Let's see how to use SUNO.com to create music. On this site, you can create unique music tracks. It's easy and accessible. So, once you're on the site, you'll need to register. There are plenty of options available, like Google, Apple, and more. After that, a page will load where you can start creating tracks. You'll also see a brief tour explaining the functionality of each switcher and field. In the song description, you can immediately start writing the description of the song you want to create. Also, pay attention to how many credits you have available. Each song costs 10 credits. Okay, let's move on. We'll switch to a more interesting and flexible mode. After agreeing to the policy that you won't use others' texts and sounds, a new functionality will become available to us. Here we'll have access to 3 fields: lyrics, style, and title. Okay, let's switch to ChatGPT to create some text for our upcoming song. With ChatGPT, we can quickly create lyrics or generate ideas. It's a great way to speed up the creative process. I'll just ask ChatGPT to write some text in a drill and rap style. Now ChatGPT is generating some text. I won't focus too much on it because I love writing my own lyrics. However, I use music and beats from SUNO. Let's now combine the generated text and track. Remember, it's important to adapt and refine the material to reflect your style. So I copy the text from GPT and simply paste it into the lyrics field. In the style field, you can enter any styles you know. There are also suggestions for styles related to yours. Okay, I'll enter styles like UK drill, rap, and trap. In the title field, I'll simply write GPT. This title will also appear in the downloaded file. And then we click Generate. You'll need to wait a bit. 2 songs are generated simultaneously, so you can choose the one that suits you best. Now the songs are being generated. We can see that the final duration isn't shown yet, but we can already start playing one of them. Alright, I'll turn off the background music and start the track. Let's listen to what we've got. I'm not really a fan of drill, but as an experiment, why not?
Yeah, we out in the night, shadows in the mist. Hustle in my veins, gotta grind, can't persist. Eyes on the prize, every move is precise.
Wow, nice. This is really hitting hard. You can also publish your songs and gather likes. With this button, you can share your track. A link opens to a page with your song, including all the information about it, who wrote it, the genre, and the lyrics. Becoming an artist is a journey that requires patience and perseverance. Don't be afraid to follow your dream. I'd also like to mention that there's currently a contest for the best cover of Timbaland's song, Love Again, where you can win over 100K in cash prizes. Register through the link in description, and I'll get additional credits for generating my own songs. Subscribe to my channel, leave comments, and share your experiences. Bye.